after coming to iSTART, I started looking at a problem in a different angle, and the way I would build a solution previously and the way I would build a solution now would be quite different.
Since the corporates like Bosch and many more insist a lot on innovation, so I see it is bringing in a different flavor to our day-to-day work. Maybe we have a different opinion on what is an innovation is, maybe just an idea, but there is a lot behind that.
The important thing that I learned in iSTART are the tools that will be used to bring out an idea from the scratch.
When you come with an idea, when you see how it will go as a product, it's totally different tangent. So there are a lot of connection you need to make in between. That doubts it's perfectly connected through iSTART program.
I would recommend for the budding engineers, the corporates as well, because companies are more and more transforming themselves to an agile organization. Looking forward to learn how one should streamline their thoughts in order to enable a startup culture within the team and for self.
I think iSTART is really a very good eye-opener for a lot of us.
It has been thought-provoking, I would say.
It's a must-grab opportunity.